Welcome to Wellside Force, a channel dedicated to exploring the world of natural health and wellness. In today's video, we're excited to introduce you to the incredible chaga. This unique fungi has a rich history and a wealth of potential health benefits. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of the chaga and discover the many ways in which this superfood can support our health and well-being. What is chaga? While chaga may have a mushroom-like appearance, it is not technically a mushroom. Mushrooms are a type of fungi that grow from spores, while chaga is a type of parasitic fungus that grows on the bark of birch trees. The chaga has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is revered for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. They are also high in vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any healthy diet. What kind of health benefits does chaga offer? Number 1. Boosting the immune system. The chaga mushroom contains a unique blend of antioxidants and other immune-supporting compounds, which can help to protect the body against illness and disease. Number 2. Reducing inflammation. The betulinic acid found in the chaga mushroom has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce swelling and discomfort in the body. Number 3. Supporting healthy digestion. The chaga mushroom contains a variety of beneficial enzymes and probiotics, which can help to support healthy digestion and promote regularity. Number 4. Supporting weight loss. The chaga is low in calories and contains a variety of compounds that can help to support weight loss and promote a healthy metabolism. How to use chaga? For those who want the most concentrated form, chaga mushroom extract in capsule or pill form may be the best option. This allows you to easily get a high dose of chaga's health-promoting properties. On the other hand, if you want to experience the traditional way of consuming chaga and enjoy its unique earthy flavor, then chaga mushroom tea may be the best option for you. This can be a relaxing and enjoyable way to incorporate chaga into your daily routine, and is also a great way to try something new. Ultimately, the best way to use chaga will depend on your personal preferences and needs. If you're looking to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, or just add some extra nutrients to your diet, chaga mushrooms are definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us. We hope you learned something new and interesting about this amazing superfood. Remember to visit our channel Wellside Force for more videos about health and wellness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, take care and stay well.